Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for Monday 27th of June. And isn't crypto amazing once again? Isn't everything just beautiful and lovely, especially with SHIB? So SHIB, yesterday I talked about how you do have three white soldiers, and this was a bullish pattern, and right now it seems like there was a retest of potentially you're still gonna move sideways, and you could be on the verge of making a bull flag right here. So what I'm gonna do is still hide the EMAs for a while, and what I will say here, by removing every candlestick, let me just remove all the drawings once again, and I'm gonna actually tell you about a potential bull flag right over there, and you can see it's coming up like this, and the next technical target is gonna be from there to there, and you're looking for SHIB to basically if it's gonna draw pop out of this place. 1479 is going to be your next technical target, and that's going to be a nice, amazing, lovely pump of nearly 25.67, but you're going to have to put a stop loss down here, maybe at 1090, which could be a 7% loss, but that would be amazing to go up to 1479, and that's the technical target I'm looking forward. But you haven't really broken out of it, so you're going to have to wait a little bit longer to see the break. Once it starts breaking, but I do believe it's going to break because there's a lot of technical targets still pending, and probably you still have this target also coming in, and that's going to be from there to there, and potentially you've already broken out of it. So yes, you're still looking to actually come up to this level, if not 1500, but at least 1479 is actually a very good safe place to actually say that SHIB is looking to go up to. And that's it for this quick update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.